end of the year Go Math assessment, part 5. This is the final part of the assessment. Please make sure you have scratch paper, a pencil, and an eraser. Let's rock and roll. Number 33. Emily went to bed for the night at the time shown on the clock. At what time did Emily go to bed? (34) Break apart the ones to subtract. What is the difference? 62 minus 6 equals... Remember that when you're solving your addition and subtraction problems that you can use any method that you prefer. (35) Mia had 48 stickers. She gave away 17 stickers. Which number sentence can be used to find how many stickers Mia has now? Number 36. Jamal has a box with 35 crayons. He puts 22 more crayons in the box. Then he takes 14 crayons out of the box. How many crayons are in the box now? If you're not quite done with number 36, pause the video before you move on. (37) What is the difference? 81 minus 25 equals... (38) Which statement is true? 1 meter is longer than 1 centimeter? One meter is shorter than 1 centimeter. One centimeter is the same as 1 meter. One centimeter is longer than 1 meter. For number 39 and 40, you're asked to use a centimeter ruler. Again, because you're doing this virtually, you will just have to note where the markings are to show you where the 1 centimeter is on that object. Then you will have to use your best and choice or most reasonable answer to figure out the length of the objects. 39, use a centimeter ruler, which is the best choice for the length of this pencil. Again, look at the marking that's already there for you on the test, and then think about which answer choice is the most reasonable for the length of the pencil. Number 40, use a centimeter ruler. Actually, you're using the markings on the test that you see on your screen. Here's your 1 centimeter mark with the red line. Measure the length of each object. So you can see the marking here for your rope or string, which would be the same marking for your paper clip. Your question is, how much longer is the string than the paper clip?